good people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm just here to show you my delivery. I got a delivery from Takealot, guys. I'm from church, guys. I'm tired. I just changed here because it's too hot. Then that's why I'm still having this on my head because I'm from church. This white duke. So let me show you what I got for myself. I got 2 parcels, guys. Look, my babies are dead. Just have to throw them away, which is so sad. Okay, I got myself this week collection tripod. So I want to open it. I hope that there's a lot here, that the pins are here, guys, because if they're not here, I'm just gonna get bored. Oh, I'll be bored. Okay, guys, but you can see, let me move to another one. It's those pins that divide hair when you are busy styling the hair. Just have to open it and just look, guys. My tripod, like the selfie tripod, guys, it's missing because I've been moving. So now it's a struggle because I can't be always going for that big one because I just want to do this thing so quick. This is the book, guys. I'm just going to open it and show you. I'm just going to show you to go. Okay, this look weird. Oh, and here they are. Okay. This one, I'm so worried about it. By the look of things, I don't think they gave me the pin, guys. And I don't like it. I'm not happy. I don't think they gave me pins. I have this already. I'm scared of these things. I have them already. This is not working for me. Hallelujah, there's pins. Hallelujah, there's pins. I was so worried about these ones. And here's the head, and here's the tripod. Look at this, guys. Oh my word. Look at this. This is so fancy. This is so fancy. So the tripod comes with the bag. Wow, this is so nice. I love this. Hey guys, it's 2 days after and I'm cooking. I come with good news. SHEIN customers have been decreased. Like, but who saying, "Harry get the gang." Cause wow, when I suffer, I can already about Christmas. Get on us. Okay, guys, I just got my delivery from SHEIN, and like I spent 1.3 something, close to 400, 1.4 rand, and the customs were like 200 and something. Guys, I will show you on the screen. Let's open this with me. Oh guys, I forgot the shoes. I hope they make sense. Not bad. Not bad at all. I hope they fit me because yo, they're so high. Ish, didn't fit me. Oh, why, Lord? Will I ever know my size? So guys, never mind my look. I'm indoors and I'm a night shift girly right now. So I just want to film this quick and just see what is happening here. Also, I'm also excited. There's another box. You know, when you're ordering, then you forget what you ordered, except those specific ones that you want. They gave me silver and I said I want gold. I hate this. I'm so hate. I wanted gold, not silver. But they're so nice, I guess. Unless it becomes a present of some sort. I'm so hate. Everything is fine, but it's silver and I wanted gold. Then we have dress number 1. I'm not fitting now, but I love the texture and the color too. It looks decent and comfortable, which is what is important. I'm in a hurry, guys, because I'm running out of time. I have to take a bath and go to work, and I'm also busy cooking. There's a red dress here. I always wanted this dress. I hope it fits me, guys. Hey, it's hectic, man. Okay, I'm only with this one. Ooh, the color, the quality, guys. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, and it looks so nice. But oh, this one is a gym top. I think I said extra large, and this looks small. No, it's big. Just that I wanted something longer. I didn't do a lot of purchasing this time, guys, because I didn't want to be traumatized by customs. So I just bought the things that I need kind of need for now. Yo, I'm so heartbroken with that dress set, which is, I don't know the name of it. Oh, this one is for my niece, guys. It's bonnet. Just gonna open one for kids. This is so cute. And the other one is this color. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yeah, now I have to do this first. Striped shirts, guys. The normal t-shirt strip. This is so nice. I saw this for SHEIN, but I was like, I will see it then. And then here we have earrings. Why are they like this? And how do you open them? This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, I love them. But guess what, guys? I got them and this thing is out already. Like this flower thing is out already. Imagine. Maybe super glue will do. Yo, I didn't expect this to be this tiny. I didn't expect this to be this tiny. But it's a key holder. This is so cute message. Let me show you the earrings. Like, this is so nice, but you see it's already damaged here. This is so sad, and its piece is just here. And then I bought this round hoop earrings. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so gorgeous. Like, I don't longer have this kind of earrings, guys. And like, the more you grow up, I don't know, the more you don't want complicated things. So these ones, I'm happy with them. Almost forgot even these ones, guys. I think we are done, guys. It was just a short haul. And bye-bye.